Hi, welcome to this week's Just a Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in Minnesota and beyond. Today, I'm going to talk about how I like to put my cleaning products in a clear bin. So, clear bins are great if you need to be able to see your items. So, certain things I don't need to see, but then there are other categories in the house that I do love to see. One of those is cleaning products, and the reason is because when I go to clean, I'm normally cleaning something specific. I need a specific product, and I want to make sure I have enough of it. And then I also want a place to put it back. So what I love to do is either under the sink. I also have a couple cabinets in my laundry room that have some cleaning supplies, but they're in a clear acrylic bin, a very simple bin labeled cleaning supplies or floor cleaners. Another one I think says like everyday cleaning. That's like what I keep under my sink for my countertops, my dishes, things like that I'm cleaning on a daily basis. So I love the clear bins. I keeps all of my cleaning supplies contained. I can also pull the bin if I want to go upstairs, downstairs. Maybe I'm roaming around the house. I don't want to bring every single bottle with me. I just pull the container. Works really, really well. And then if I get too many cleaning products that don't fit into my container, I can do a quick declutter and actually figure out, did I ever use that cleaning product? Because sometimes I buy cleaning products that I think I'm going to use and I never do. So then it's time to get rid of those and actually just fill it up with the things I do use. So that is my tip of today. Get yourself some clean, not clean, but some acrylic containers for your cleaning supplies, and you will be pleasantly surprised the next time you have to go clean. So let me know how it goes for you in the comments, and we'll see you next week for another tip.